Alright, I think it's time for another caricature of one of my favorite makers. And you may recognize Nick Zammeti from NZ Woodturning. Yes, it's Z, not Z. He's an Englishman. Anyway, I really like Nick and his channel because he's always trying new things and experimenting, doing fun and funky stuff. I grabbed a couple of screen grabs from his latest video. It should be really fun drawing all these wrinkles in his forehead, his very expressive face, and this big hair here, and his distinctive white in his beard. So let's have some fun.